Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is the Amazon Fit GTS 2 Mini. This is not from Amazon. I'm just going to get that clear to you guys. This is a Xiaomi product, and it's got a lot of reviews at the moment. It's exploded in terms of the price to performance factor. So with this watch here, I picked it up as a gift for someone, and I thought I'd just quickly do an unboxing to show you guys how it looks in real life. So as you can see, the packaging looks really nice, quite a slim box. On the side, they've got this reflective material on the box, guys, so it's quite hard to show you. But on the side it has cycle tracking, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, sleep quality monitoring, and 14 days battery life. And then on the other side it says slim and light design, always on display. Yes, always on display, guys. Blood oxygen pressure measuring, and up to 70 sports options. So there is the GTS 2, which has 90 programs on it, but this one has 70. But to be fair, I don't know how many people go through all 70 programs and find, they will have all your basics like running, cycling, walking, all this general stuff that people would use it for. So let's just open it up, guys. So there is a security seal at the bottom. Once you open the box, as you can see, you get two compartments. So this is one of the compartments, and that's it. So this is the second compartment. So let's just quickly look at what you get. So let's open up this box first. So this is just all the instruction manuals, not really anything important. Then here we have the actual watch itself, and there's something in this little box here. I do like their packaging, it's quite simple and elegant. So here's the charger. So looking at this charger, this uses a proprietary clip to charge your device. So if you did damage your charger, you would need to buy this cable again. It doesn't come with a plug, but that's fine, most people have a plug. So the watch itself, so this is the rose gold, so they call this flamingo pink. There is a black and also a minty green option. So looking at the watch, so this watch is around 19.5 grams, guys. It feels really light. It has a AMOLED display, a 1.55 inch. It has 100% high color saturation and 450 nits of brightness for this type of watch. And at the value of, I bought this, guys, for £79 on sale in Argos. Amazon roughly do it for around that price too, so you shouldn't find it too hard to pick something like this up. It has straps that are interchangeable. As you can see, there is these little clips, and you also get your heart rate sensor at the back and your oxygen measure as well. And then let's just turn it on and see if there's any power. So as you can see, it turns on and it automatically prompts you to download this app. So I don't know if you can pick it up, and it's a shame that you can't skip that step. Oh no, you can. Oh no, you can't. You have to download that first. But if I can show you, there is a bezel going around the whole watch. It's quite a thick bezel going all the way around. But again, you guys, you have to remember this is £79, and it does have AMOLED display. It is IP certified for sweat. It has high quality tracking and heart rate, and it has plenty of features, more than most people would probably use. With this model here though, it doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, it only connects directly to your phone. So if you do take it without your phone, it will save it onto the watch and then back it up onto your phone once it is connected to it. The other downside to the Mini is that it doesn't have GPS built in, so that it will not be able to pick up calls and text from this device, and it doesn't have a speaker or a mic anyway to talk through. But that is why it's the Mini. You can get the one which has these features. It costs around £140, and the other issue with that one is it only comes in the bigger size. I wanted something small for the person this is for. So that's about it, guys. I'll just show you how it looks on my wrist. The strap feels really nice. It feels like suede, even though it's plastic. And even though this is a girl's watch, guys, you can see how it looks on my hand. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like and sub, and peace out.